Check it out, 1, 2, y'all.
Mr. Benchik on the beat.
Good afternoon. I tell my small pikin say she come buy now draft. But I say some no day. O say be me.
Oh. Na odi an wo fast no.
Ah, me what pass it? What pass it?
Na wo na obeto abrewa na.
Eh?
Wo na obeto
Ah, me so on tomre me. Me so on tomre me.
What dey here dey?
Oh,
Ala wonyem.
Wonyem. No, me nyimo, but yeah, the yadie. It's one of my business.
Oh boy. Again.
Oh, it's my pikin.
So it's your girlfriend.
No, it's one of my pikin.
What meaning picking?
Oh, you have the medicine. If you don't have, it's okay. If you don't have, it's okay. Or you have.
Oh, I have some, but I cannot.
Oh, how can you concert? If you are buying some medicine,
Oh,
and
like, what's son one year? Upon say, see, I know some tuna. You never bet me. According to Ghana law, no. So what talk? Oh yeah, drugstore. Okay. Now, for 14 to 15 years, or back of the top pregnant a drug. What all man let me be for this say, see, Anna, you bet me because my lance is. The choir lance is making us to come.
oh, okay. So, what medicine you say he's buying? Or so, tell you,
Pregnant.
hey! Pregnant?
Yeah.
So you are pregnant, you are going to buy medicine, you go and spray.
Oh, Uncle, sorry.
Hey! Come on, thank you, eh?
Oh, my
thank you. God bless you. You.
And that year, you might lost on our 14 to 15 years. Now, but 12 breast milk, you need to say, yeah, that's so. Why won't come with really a better? Maybe this time, but I am not. Masoma. Practice and get the most salary among that. What I did when my minimum papa, that's it. See what I said, what part of a packet.